Simple technique for cinematic look. Hey guys, my name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. I shoot this video with my phone. Doesn't look that good, right? For creating a cinematic look, there's lots of things you need to know. Everything comes together for creating that. Your camera, the lens, the adjustment on your camera, lighting, the set, casting, writing, everything. But there are some things you can do for creating a cinematic look. Just a little bit. Before we dive into Premiere, like this video. This is our original footage. Go to Effects, Crop. Add that crop to your footage. 10% top, 10% bottom. Again, go to Effects, Warp Stabilizer, add that to your video, let it analyze. We add a black video to our footage. In position, adjust that black video like this, copy that, and adjust that like this. Now we actually align the black videos to that crop that we made. Warp stabilizer didn't work that well, so we adjust the percent. Now we adjust these two layers and we add the adjustment layer. In Lumetri color, we color correct the footage. Maybe a little color grading. Now, this is our result. Here we can see the difference. The original footage with a scope video like this, scope video and color grading, scope video, color grading and stabilizer. Let me know down in the comment, have you used this technique? So this is our original footage and this is the result. And here's before and after. Let's shoot the exact same thing but with a DSLR camera. Let's see how that turns out. Before footage with smartphone and with DSLR. And here's the result. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, comment down below. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all next time.